Welcome. If you've ever wanted to give your Telegram chats a fresh look on your computer, one of the easiest ways is by changing your emoji set. Telegram recently rolled out an update that makes switching emoji styles even more seamless, and today we'll walk through how to set JoyPixels as your default option. First, open your Telegram app on your PC. Once the window is up, look towards the very top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines stacked together. That's the menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to open the main menu. Now, from the list of options that appear, find and select Settings. This is where all of your customization tools are stored. Inside Settings, you'll need to navigate to Chat Settings. This section controls the appearance of your messaging experience, from backgrounds and themes down to text size and, of course, emoji sets. When you're in Chat Settings, scroll until you see the option for Emoji Set. Telegram gives you a few different styles to choose from, and each set changes the way emojis appear within your chats. By default, you may already be using the system's emojis or another style, but here's where the fun happens. Click on Emoji Set, and a pop-up list will display different styles. Look for JoyPixels, which is a very popular option known for its clean, playful design. Once you find it, select it, and Telegram will instantly update your emoji set so you can preview how they appear. After making your choice, simply click Close at the bottom of the pop-up. That's it. You've successfully switched your default emoji set to JoyPixels on Telegram for PC. From this point on, every time you open a chat, your emojis will display in the new JoyPixel style, giving your conversations a fresh and modern feel. Whether you use emojis for quick reactions, playful messages, or to add personality to your chats, this update makes it easier than ever to personalize Telegram to match your style. So, if you're ready to brighten up your messages, give JoyPixels a try today and enjoy the little extra spark it brings to your conversations.